animal. Before the eye could see the light, there was only change, one cell, one chance, one beautiful mistake, and nothing was ever alone. A molecule learned to join another. A membrane held the ancient sea. Life copied life, then copied wrong, and that mistake became possibility. A tiny error in the DNA, one letter changed along the way. A gene rearranged, the sequence crossed, and something new appeared from what was lost. The DNA became a kind of score, a language written, never still. One altered note, one different chord, and life could take another turn. No master hand was drawing lines, no hidden architect design, just mutation, chance and time, and living things responding to their world. A fin became a limb became a hand. Millions of failed experiments lie buried in the sand. The errors that should have ended us sometimes opened up a door. What looked like failure in one age became something never seen before. We are the children of chance, written in the language of life. No final plan, no perfect design, just billions of moments flowing through time. Like a river finding its way, branching wherever it can be. I change the world changes me. No life exists alone, no mind exists separately. The DNA is not a blueprint, carved in stone and sealed. It changes, copies, breaks and bends, and hidden variations are revealed. Recombination shuffles what we carry, parents deal the genetic cards. A copying error, a broken chain, can make the future strange and hard. Most changes disappear unnoticed, some are harmful, some survive. But if every generation carries new possibilities for life, the strongest isn't always strongest, the fastest isn't always first. Sometimes cooperation wins the day, sometimes competition makes it worse. A forest is more than separate trees, a reef is more than stone, a body is a living conversation. Nothing living stands alone. We are the children of chance, written in the language of life. No final plan, no perfect design, just billions of moments flowing through time. Like a river finding its way, branching wherever it can be. I change the world changes me. No life exists alone, no mind exists separately. A leaf responds to sunlight, a caterpillar feeds and grows. The plant changes the animal changes where it goes. The flower calls the insect carries pollen away. The roots reshape the soil beneath. The soil decides what gets to stay. Information moves in circles like echoes through a living room. One voice changes another voice, and every answer shapes what comes soon. The world is not a stage for life where living things perform their part. The world is woven into the pattern like a rhythm through our heart. Maybe mind is not a thing we own, not something locked behind the eyes. Maybe mind is the pattern made when living things exchange their signs. And then I met you, two histories, two different roads, two lives carrying ancient codes. No prophecy, no destined sign, just strange history meeting mine. You carry worlds I couldn't see, I carry worlds you didn't know. You changed the way I looked at life, and I changed the way you grow. Perhaps connection doesn't mean that two become the same. Perhaps we are two different melodies that change when played together. We are the children of chance, the descendants of the sea. Ancient life is moving through us. became a billion forms. A billion forms became the sea became the creatures that became you and me. No hand had planned our meeting, no ancient voice had made decree. Just chance, change, time, connection, and life becoming what it could be.